Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Next topic is nature of roots of a quadratic equation. If a quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given, first one is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Second one, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. Next one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are not real. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation and it is denoted by delta. Therefore, we can write here delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, next one is the relation between roots of the quadratic equations and coefficients. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we can write here the sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. And the second one, the product of the roots means alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now the next one is to obtain a quadratic equation having given roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of equation in variable x, then quadratic equation can be obtained as, now here x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Let us see practice set 2.5. First question, activity, fill in the gaps and complete. First one, quadratic equation is given x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here b square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. The values are given. Now find out the nature of roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and unequal. Write down here real and unequal. Now the next one, the value of b square minus 4ac is negative means less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Right here not real. Now the second one, sum of roots given minus 7 and here product of roots is given which is equal to 5. Now form quadratic equation. Now x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. It is obtained by this one. Now write here values x square minus alpha plus beta means minus 7x plus alpha into beta means 5 is equal to 0. Therefore final quadratic equation is x square minus into minus plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now look at the next one. If alpha into beta are roots of quadratic equations, now equation given here is 2x square minus 4x minus 3. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we get here the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 3. It is the rough work. Now we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Substituting the values here minus b. Now value of b is minus 4 upon a. A means 2 which is equal to 4 upon 2 which is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore we get here alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Now second one, alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Substituting the values here c. C means minus 3 upon 2. It is the answer. The value of alpha into beta is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now the next question is, find the value of discriminant. First one is given, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Simply comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we get here a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. Now find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values here, b square means 7 square minus 4 into a means 1 into c means minus 1. Solid. 7 square means 49. Now negative multiply by negative number, we get positive. 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. Now we get here answer 53. Therefore the value of discriminant delta is equal to 53. Now look at the second one. It is given in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write down the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and the value of c is equal to 10. Now find out the value of discriminant, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values here, b square means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a means 2 into c means 10. Solid. Minus 5 whole square, we get here 25 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 into 10, 80. Now 25 minus 80, we get here minus 55. Therefore the value of discriminant delta is equal to minus 55. Now look at the next question. Root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. It is given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare the given equation. Find out the values of a, b and c. A is equal to root 2. B is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Now find out the value of delta here. Therefore delta is equal to discriminant b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values, b square means 4 square minus 4 into a root 2 square root of 2 into square root of c means 2 into square root of 2. Solid. 4 square 16 minus, now 4 into 2 we get here 8 and square root of 2 into square root of 2 we get here 4. Solid. 16 minus 8 into 2. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. Therefore 8 into 2 16, which is equal to 0. Therefore the value of delta is equal to 0. Next question. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Now the first equation is, we know that nature of roots determined by the value of discriminant. Therefore first find the value of discriminant. Now comparing with the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore value of a is equal to 1 b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Therefore, find out the value of delta here. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into c. c means 4. Therefore, minus 4 whole square means 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. Here, delta, the value of discriminant is 0. Therefore, write down the answer here. The roots are real and equal. Now the second equation, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Simply comparing the equation, comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find out the values of a, b, c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. Now find out the value of discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values, b square means minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 2. Solid. Minus 7 whole square we get 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now 49 minus 16, which is equal to 33. Therefore, we get the value of delta is equal to 33 and it is greater than 0. Here, the value of delta is greater than 0. Therefore, write down the answer here. The roots are real and unequal. Now the next one is m square minus, next one is m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. It is given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Simply comparing the given equation. With ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Now find out the value of discriminant, means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting all the values here, b square means 2 square minus 4 into a, 1 into c, 9. Therefore, 2 square 4 minus 4 into 9, 36. 4 minus 36 we get here minus 32. Therefore, the value of delta is equal to minus 32. Here, delta is less than 0. Therefore, write down the answer. The roots are not real. Now the next question. Next one is form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Now the first one is 0 and 4. Let us consider the roots of the quadratic equation are alpha and beta. Therefore, the value of alpha is equal to 0 and value of beta is equal to 4. Then alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to 0. The required quadratic equation is, we know that the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now substituting the values here, x square minus alpha plus beta means 4x plus alpha into beta means 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, write down the answer. X square minus 4x is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now the second values are 3 and minus 10. Let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. Then find out the value of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10 is equal to 3 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and alpha into beta, substituting the values here, 3 into minus 10 we get here minus 30. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to minus 30. Now write down. The required quadratic equation is write down the formula, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Substituting the values here, we get x square minus alpha plus beta minus 7x plus alpha into beta minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus plus 7x plus minus 30 is equal to 0. Write down the answer. Therefore, x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now, next values are 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Then first find out alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2. We get here minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now write down the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Substituting the values we get x square minus alpha plus beta x means 0x plus alpha into beta means minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Write down the answer here. X square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now the next value is 2 minus square root of 5 and second one is 2 plus square root of 5. Let alpha is equal to 2 minus square root of 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus square root of 5. Then find out the value of alpha plus beta, which is equal to alpha means 2 minus root 5 plus beta. Beta means 2 plus root 5. Now minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel. We get here 2 plus 2 4. Therefore value of alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Look at the bracket carefully. It is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. Therefore we can write here a square minus b square. Therefore 2 square minus root 5 whole square. Solve it. 2 square means 4 minus square root and square both are cancelled. We get simple 5. Therefore 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Therefore the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Therefore substituting all the values we get x square minus alpha plus beta means 4x and here plus alpha into beta minus 1 equal to 0. Now write down the answer here. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Next question is find k. If the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double their product. Let us see how to solve it. Solution. Given equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4k and C is equal to k plus 3. Let us consider, let alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Therefore, now sum of the roots of the equation means alpha plus beta is equal to, is double their product, means 2 into alpha into beta. Give it equation number 1. It is given. Now we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Substituting the values here, we get minus b. Now value of b is minus 4k upon a 1, which is equal to 4k. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 4k. Give it equation number 2 and find out the value of alpha into beta, which is equal to c upon a. Now value of c is k plus 3 upon 1, which is equal to k plus 3. Give it equation number 3. Now in the second equation we get the value of alpha plus beta, and in the third equation we get the value of alpha into beta. Now substituting alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in equation 1. Therefore from equation 1, 2 and 3, alpha plus beta means 4k is equal to 2 into alpha into beta means k plus 3. Now open the bracket here, we get 4k is equal to, multiply each and every terms inside the bracket by 2, we get 2k plus 6. Now 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. Therefore 2k is equal to 6. Dividing by 2, we get k is equal to 6 upon 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore value of k is equal to 3. The value of k is 3. Now next question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, find the values of alpha square plus beta square, and second one is alpha cube plus beta cube. The given equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing it with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we get here value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Now find out the value of alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b upon a. Substituting the values, minus of minus 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Give it equation number 1, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to, value of c is minus 7 upon 1 is equal to minus 7. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to minus 7. Give it equation number 2. Now first one, find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. We know that alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. It can be written as alpha plus beta whole square. Now plus 2 alpha beta shifting to the left hand side, minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to, now substituting the values from 1 and 2, Alpha plus beta means 2. 2 square minus 2 into alpha into beta means minus 7. Solve it. 2 square 4 minus negative number into negative positive 2 7s are 14. Now we get here value is equal to 18. Now the second one. Find out the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that alpha plus beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta cube. Now shifting this to left hand side, we get alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha plus beta is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, substituting the values, alpha plus beta cube means 2 cube minus 3 alpha beta, 3 into minus 7 into alpha plus beta means 2, from equation 1 and 2. Solve it. 2 raised to the power 3 means 8, minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2 we get 42, which is equal to 50. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Now the next question is, find the value of k if the roots of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. First equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. Now given here, roots of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. It is given. It means the value of delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now substituting all the values here, we get k square minus 4 into a means 3 into c means 12 is equal to 0. Solid. K square minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 12, 144 is equal to 12. Solid. K square is equal to 144. Taking square root on both sides, we get k is equal to plus minus 12. Therefore, the value of k is equal to minus 12 or value of k is equal to 12. Now, next question is kx into x minus 2 plus k is equal to 0. First open the bracket, we get here multiply by kx. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we get a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Now given here the roots are real and equal. It is given. Therefore, discriminant, value of the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, substituting all the values we get minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Solve it. 4k square minus 4 6 are 24, k is equal to 0. Now take out common here. 4k take out common, remaining k minus 4 6 are 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 0 upon 4. Value of k is equal to 0. Or second one, k is equal to minus 6 shifting to the right hand side 6. Therefore, value of k is equal to 6. Now, k is equal to 0 unacceptable, because if k is equal to 0, then the equation becomes meaningless. Therefore, write down here, k is equal to 0 is unacceptable because if k is equal to 0, the equation becomes meaningless. Therefore, value of k is equal to 6. Write down the answer. The value of k is 6. Allah Hafiz.